might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Well, give me all you got and don't hold it back.
There were two imperatives for starting Happiest Minds. One was our strategic imperative. There was an unbelievable opportunity for leveraging the new disruptive technologies and becoming the only player in the IT industry which uses these to create digital transformation solutions. The softer imperative was really our focus on happiness. A lot of people ask me why we called the company as Happiest Minds. I must tell you that it's much more than a name. The mission of our company is happiest people, happiest customers. We build the processes linked to happiness in many things that we do. Take our values, for example. They lend themselves to a wonderful acronym called SMILES, so it continuously reinforces that. We clearly work towards enabling happiness for our people as well as maximizing the happiness for our customers. Going ahead, we do want to see ourselves as a company which is on the leading edge of technology at all times. We'd like to have people here having the happiest careers and to achieve success with smiles.
Happiness is the meaning and the purpose of life, the whole aim and end of human existence. This quote by Aristotle is the bedrock on which Happiest Minds was founded. Our philosophy is very simple. Happy people make happy customers. We are in the business of making our customers happy through happy people. People are an integral part of our business and their happiness is of utmost importance to us. Happiness is a conscious choice. It is not an automatic response. We cannot ensure a person's happiness. We can only enable a person's happiness and provide those enabling conditions for a person to be happy. At Happiest Minds, we have institutionalized gratitude as a ritual. All of our meetings start with an expression of gratitude. Our vision has the statement that we are all happiness evangelists for one another, for our customers, and for our society. Happy people spread more happiness, and the more happiness one spreads, the more happier one is. So you see, there is this connection between being happy and spreading happiness.
My job in Happiest Minds is to build a culture of happiness evangelism, a culture of excellence, a culture of mindfulness, all built on a platform of values. All of us need to know what is the organizational strategy, why are we here for, where are we right now, where did we start, where are we going. So that's the first step. The second step is to have engaged, mindful managers. Managers who are not just bothered about getting the work done with you, but also about engaging with the people who are with them, helping them grow, understand who we are, understand what our egos, what our aspirations, what our fears, what our goals are, and help us evolve as people along with delivering what we're delivering to our customers. All our values, all our policies, all our practices are not just PPTs or not just posters on the wall. It is about living those values. It is about role modeling those processes, role modeling these values. We continuously listen to people. The decisions that are taken are not just taken in corner office here. It is about understanding what our aspirations are, what our perspectives are, giving the respect to each member of the organization. The biggest focus as a people practice team for us is to ensure that all of us develop on a holistic way, both on the personal side and the professional side.
This company is about a little over 1,800 people, at the time of me speaking to you about it. And trust me, in another 60 days, that number is only going to go up again because we are growing at a crazy pace. We are present in 18 cities worldwide. Soon that will be 20, with Sydney and Dubai getting added on to that. The businesses that we are engaged in typically fall into three buckets. We have a business unit which is focused around digital transformation and enterprise solutions, call it DTES. The business unit focused on agile infrastructure and security, the infrastructure management and security services team. It's called the IMSS business unit. And then there is the business unit called product engineering services that help software companies, product companies, and also corporate, the enterprise CIOs build new products. We need to innovate around a need, around a pain, around an aspiration, around a change aspect that our customer wants to embrace and make it smarter, faster, better for them. We were for the last 2 years part of Deloitte Fast 50. We've been recognized across the board for our thought leadership by various analysts like Gartner and Zinnov and Ovum. We've been recognized in various product forums for the IP that we have created. IP-led services is the way Happiest Minds would conduct its business and grow. We will have to wow our customer with the idea, with the value proposition, with the quality of delivery and the experience that they go through when they engage with Happiest Minds. So you will have to be extraordinary in every walk of your profession and life. If you have to take Happiest Minds, make it really, really big as a key player in the IT services ecosystem.
We have created a managed services organization which focuses on agile infrastructure delivery, security infrastructure delivery, as well as SaaS delivery and PaaS delivery. And there is a organization which focuses on consulting and system integration. We have a huge focus on IP-oriented business, and to that effect, we have invested on 6 platforms, out of which 4 is already ready, and you would have branded this as a Vigil platforms. You will see Compliance Vigil, Threat Vigil, Cyber Vigil, and Identity Vigil. We got a gold award from US in the last year for the platforms. We are creating the SaaS platform getting hosted in USA, India and UK. Going forward, we are going to add IoT and cognitive computing into that practice to enhance that platform. We transformed ourselves successfully to agile infrastructure. You will get a unique opportunity in our IMSS business unit to learn about cloud, automation, scripting, how to create and software-defined infrastructure, software-defined security, get that opportunity to work in cutting-edge areas of cyber security and cyber analytics or threat management, threat intelligence. We lay huge stress on creating excellent professionals in Happiest Minds. We focus on training all our people in all the new disruptive technology areas, because we believe that with this high-end knowledge, that is what we will be able to create a differentiated services and happiest customers.
Digital transformation actually has the potential to really help our customers, which are typically enterprises, to really use IT for competitive differentiation. More and more companies are now looking at technology to help them drive business differentiation. We are realizing that customers are looking to embrace these digital technologies for delivering differentiated and superior customer experience. The area that we want to influence is business efficiency. It is about bringing agility and responsiveness in companies. It is about looking at innovation. It is about looking at informed decision making rather than working the old traditional way. So when you are looking at embracing digital technologies, you still have to do that in conjunction with what already exists within the enterprise. We do that through platformization. We do that through integration. We do that by bringing concepts of insights literally into every aspect of decision making. So in the space that we are in, I'm extremely excited about the possibility in the present and the possibility in the future. Most companies that we are talking to are looking at digital technologies to drive innovation and differentiation. And if you want to be in a place where you love technology, if you want to be in a place where you want to be happy, then Happiest Minds is the place to be.
We're helping companies build SaaS applications that can be consumed by enterprises. We're helping customers build e-commerce solutions. We're helping them build the mobile apps. We're helping several customers build analytics, understand what various patterns and behavior are, and then translate that into some kind of an action. We're working with companies that are disrupting the e-learning, the learning space, and we are leaders in this space. So a lot of cool work that's happening in the Product Engineering Services business unit. Now, the kind of people that we look for are people that have a questioning nature, who don't take no for an answer, who love innovation, who love to try new things, who love to work a lot with open source and some complex technologies. We're also looking at some new technologies that we plan to get into. A couple of years back we got into IoT, and we have several customers. We're looking at artificial intelligence, we're looking at robotics. We've just started investing in these areas. And if you look at pure technology, we're working with all the coolest, latest technologies. But if you want to have an exciting career, and if you want to enhance your knowledge and skill base and have fun at the same time, Happiest Minds is the best place.
At Happiest Minds, we concentrate on 8 wellness themes. And these 8 wellness themes form the core of our wellness, which is holistic development for our people. Well, when we say holistic, it covers the entire aspect for an individual at Happiest Minds. So what we believe is that happiness is the core of our existence in this company. But without wellness, we cannot achieve the goal for happiness. All our engagement activities for our people, they're all based on these 8 wellness themes. And we are proud to say that at Happiest Minds, you grow as an individual, which is a holistic individual and happy individual.
Clap along,